All right, guys, so we finally made it up to the Memorial Bridge up here on top of the Hoover Dam. We just hiked all the way from way over there, where our truck is at, all the way across the Hoover Dam and up that road right there. We tried taking shortcuts, but the terrain was, whew, it was pretty rough. Instead of driving, we should have much rather drove, but
then we used our spidey webs.
Yeah. To get us here. Oh, so we're here, thank gosh. We made it. Yeah, treacherous. Hey everybody. So I don't know if you can see it because I can't see what I'm filming, but back now is the Hoover Dam. We're here on the Memorial Bridge. Outside. Spectacular view. Unbelievable. Long ways down. What a sight. You feel the bridge shaking when the trucks go over.
And out there's an itty bitty boat.
Way
right past the
out
line.
there. What you think, babe? So we're up here on top of the Memorial Bridge, above the Hoover Dam. It's a long ways down, 880 foot down. It's a beautiful view though, gorgeous day.